Imagine a world where hunger is a distant memory, a future where energy bills are obsolete. What if humans could simply step into the sun and absorb all the energy they need? It sounds like science fiction, a fantastical dream, but the concept of photosynthetic humans directly harnessing solar energy is a fascinating thought experiment for bioengineers and futurists alike. Could we one day evolve or be engineered to live on sunlight? Life on Earth fundamentally relies on the sun. Plants, algae, and some bacteria perfected this process billions of years ago, photosynthesis. They capture light energy using chlorophyll, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This elegant biochemical pathway fuels nearly all ecosystems. It's a masterclass in energy efficiency, turning raw sunlight into usable chemical energy. Humans, however, are heterotrophs. We must consume other organisms for energy. Our bodies are not equipped with chlorophyll or the necessary cellular machinery. Our skin can produce vitamin D from sunlight, but that's a far cry from generating all our caloric needs. We lack the chloroplasts, the specialized organelles where photosynthesis occurs. Our metabolic pathways are designed for breaking down complex organic molecules, not synthesizing them from light. So how could we bridge this biological gap? The most direct approach would involve genetic engineering. Could we introduce genes for chlorophyll production and chloroplast development into human cells? This would be an immense challenge. Chloroplasts are complex organelles with their own DNA, intricately integrated into plant cell function. Integrating them into human cells without disrupting our existing biology is a monumental task. Another speculative avenue involves symbiosis. Perhaps we could host photosynthetic microorganisms within our bodies, similar to how corals host algae. These engineered microbes could live in our skin or even our digestive tract, producing nutrients that our bodies could then absorb. This might be a less invasive, more achievable path. Imagine a future where a daily dose of engineered photosynthetic bacteria provides your caloric intake, or perhaps a dermal layer of specialized cells that glow faintly as they convert sunlight. The implications of photosynthetic humans are profound. Energy independence would be the most immediate benefit. No more reliance on fossil fuels or even traditional agriculture for sustenance. Food scarcity could become a concept of the past. People in remote or resource-poor areas could thrive simply by exposing themselves to sunlight. It could revolutionize space travel, making long-duration missions more sustainable by reducing the need to carry vast amounts of food. Astronauts could simply recharge in the sun. Our environmental footprint would shrink dramatically. Less land for farming, fewer emissions from food production and transportation. It paints a picture of a truly sustainable existence. But such a radical transformation raises complex questions. What would it mean to be human if our fundamental energy source changed? Would our identity shift? What are the unforeseen health consequences of such a profound biological alteration? Could there be unknown long-term effects on our physiology or even our cognition? Would this technology be accessible to everyone, or would it create new forms of inequality? Who decides who gets to be photosynthetic and who doesn't? And what about the ethical considerations of altering the human germline so fundamentally? Are we playing a dangerous game by redesigning our very nature? The idea of photosynthetic humans remains firmly in the realm of speculation. The biological hurdles are immense, and the ethical considerations are profound. Yet, as our understanding of genetics and synthetic biology rapidly advances, what seems impossible today might just be a distant blueprint for tomorrow. Could humanity one day shed its reliance on external food sources and embrace a life powered by the sun? It's a thought that continues to illuminate the boundaries of our scientific imagination.